Hi everyone, welcome to my channel again. So today I'll be showing you this beautiful 4-bedroom terrace duplex and 2-bedroom terrace duplex. It's a smart home. So now I will take you in, I will show you the 4-bedroom and I will show you the 2-bedroom terrace duplex. It's a fully serviced mini estate. So let's take a look at the 2-bedroom first. You can see the car park. This car park can take 2 cars conveniently. It's a 2-bed. There is no room downstairs. We have kitchen and the living room downstairs, and we have the 2 other rooms upstairs. So this home also comes with 1 AC free. So look at the TV area, the box. See it comes with camera, video bell camera, and this soft touch switch. So here is the kitchen. Here is the kitchen. It comes with Highlander, 4-phase burner, heat extractor. It comes with microwave, oven, and it has pantry. This place. So you still have a small space at the back where you can put your cylinder and all. So let's go upstairs to see. Look at this beautiful chandelier. It's a 2-in-1 chandelier. It has fan and it has lighting. So here is the guest toilet. This is the guest toilet, you can see. So let's go upstairs. We have beautiful lightings here at the staircase. So this place is where you can put some flowers, frames, and all. This place, this is room number 1. This room number 1, it has wardrobe, it has standing cubicle shower, wash and basin, and nice WC. So let's check the master bedroom. This place you can have mini couch here, just like family lounge, just mini couch. See, you can put it here, you can have your TV here. So this is the master bed. Don't forget, this place I'm showing you is 2-bedroom. So this is the wardrobe. And we have another wardrobe there. Look at the smart switch in master bed. So this is the master bed bedroom. The wash and basin, standing cubicle, the WC. So you can see the master bed is very big. Enough space for you. It comes with central speaker, and look at this beautiful chandelier. So from the master bed, you also have small balcony. So this is the balcony. Don't forget, this is 2-bedroom, and this place is going for just 48 million naira. We have only 1 unit left. So let's check the 4-bedroom. So now we are checking the 4-bedroom terrace. You can see it's a fully serviced estate, clean water, 24 hours power, 24 hours security. And also let's check this unit. This is the car space for the 4-bed. It can take like 3 cars conveniently. So this is the living room. You can see it's very spacious. Look at this beautiful chandelier as well. It also has a fan. It's a 2-in-1. So this is the TV area. So here is the dining area. Look at the chandelier. This 4 bed also comes with one AC as bonus. So this is the guest toilet. And over there is where we have the guest room. This is the guest room. This is the wardrobe. This is the toilet and bath. So let's move on to the kitchen. So this is the fitted kitchen. You can see the very nice marble, both on Islander and this. Look at the cabinets, very nice cabinet. Heat extractor. It comes with microwave, oven, and all. So here is the pantry where you can keep your food stuff. And look at the soft switch. Let's go upstairs to see the other 2 rooms. Don't forget, this is room number 1 and we have other 3 rooms upstairs. So at the staircase, there is lighting at the staircase as well. So here is the family lounge. This is the family lounge, and to my left is room number 2. This is room number 2. That's the wardrobe. This is the toilet and bedroom. That's standing cubicle shower too. So let's check room number 3. This is room number 3. This also comes with inbuilt speaker too. Look at the inbuilt speaker, central inbuilt speaker. Look at this beautiful wall back bracket. And this is the toilet and bedroom. Also comes with standing cubicle, wash and basin, WC. So let's check room number 4, which is the master bedroom. Wow, this is beautiful, this is big. So you can see it's very big. Look at the chandelier. See, it's well ventilated. Look at it. You can open this, you can open this, and this place you can also open this window. So let's check the walk-in closet. This is where we have the wardrobe. And there is another one here. So let's check the bedroom. So this is the bedroom, come with wash and basin, jacuzzi, WC, and standing cubicle shower. So let's have a look at the balcony from master bedroom. So this is the balcony. We have switch where you can plug your phone, charge your laptop and all. So and you have this view from your balcony. Here we come to the end of this beautiful tour. So let me quickly tell you the rental income of this property if you are buying for business purpose. The 4-bedroom is about 4 million to 4.5 million, and the 2-bedroom terrace is about 2.5 to 3 million. Invest now, sit back and cash out big. Be smart. If you are coming through my channel for the first time, do well to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification for my weekly video. My name is Ibrahim Odu from Zima Homes, your #1 trusted real estate consultant in Lagos City. See you in the next video. Cheers.